Welcome back to Ben's garage. Something a little bit exciting's happening today. We're putting our first car in the garage, ready for repairs. Trouble is, Tina's got to get it started first, and it's the Audi, and it's parked right over there. She's got the booster pack out, and hopefully it will start as well as it did last time. So let's have a quick look.
Just not enough power.
The thing's clicked off again, hasn't it?
Yeah, but even when it hadn't, there's not enough power.
Good old German engineering. She's got it running. Now we've got to get it in the garage. So let's watch this. Right, just straighten up a minute. Straighten up.
What way should we go? I don't know.
Yeah, turn it this way a bit. Right, go look at that. Right, now just start turning.
Oh, the stuff's
Alright, turn it on full lock. Full lock. You're clear of the wall. That's it, we're in. First car in the workshop. This is the one that's going to get worked on. I think I'm going to have to strip quite a bit off of this. There's an intercooler on each side at the front, tucked in down there somewhere. And then pipework joins up to it and then across underneath the radiator. I mean, this is the aircon radiator. Basically, I'm going to just take the front end of the car off so we can get behind it, and they come off quite easy because you have to take the front off to do the cam belt. The cam belt was done not so long ago, so we're not worried about that. But we just want to find out where the pipes burst. It could even be an intercooler that's exploded, but we won't know that until we can get to it. But the car's in here now, so when we get a few little jobs cleared up outside, we can get in here, get it jacked up on axle stands, get the front end of the car off and find out what's wrong. So keep your eyes open for a bit of a series on the Audi, and see if we can't get it fixed, cleaned up and get it sold. Progress is being made. So that's it for this video. We're in. The Audi fired up, piece of cake. Tina forgot to do the glow plugs first time, and then the second time that I saw that as she was cranking, all the door lights went off, so the power pack had self-timed itself out somehow. But anyway, she reset that and it fired up first click, basically. So it's still a good car, even though it doesn't work. Anyway, that's enough for this video. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.